and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again. We are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for having us. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing scrap metal art welding projects ideas. These ideas for video. So let's get started. Scrap metal art. Successfully garden is to use metal pieces that will withstand an element such as rusted metal or declared steels. One of the simple projects is to get you started in a metal flower garden stake. To make this project, you will need a piece of rebar or the other sturdy metal for the stake and a variety of metal pieces for the flowers. Finally, creating a scrap metal jewelry is another amazing and the fun way rewarding yourself in a welding technique. You can use a variety of metal pieces such as wire, steel metals, and old jewelry pieces to create a unique and personalized jewelry. One of the easy projects is to get started in a metal bracelet. To make this project, you will need a metal strip, a hammer, and a metal file. Hammer the metal strip to create a texture, then file the edges to smooth them out. This scrap metal dwelling is popular from of art that is enjoyed by people in the world. There's many regions where types of art is particularly popular in the United States. Scrap metal welding is particularly popular in the United States, especially in regions from industrial heritage such as Midwest and the Rust Belt. Mexico has a rich tradition of metalworking and scrap metal welding is a popular form of folk art in many parts of the country. Scrap metal welding is a popular form of art in Australia, particularly in rural areas where farming equipment is purpose for artistic purpose. And while welding has become increasingly popular in South Africa in this recent year, with artists using discarded metals to create a striking sculptural